I'm getting ready to make some baked pancakes for dinner. Super easy, absolutely delicious, minimal ingredients, tons of flavor. You ready to get started? Let's do it. Take a couple of ripe bananas and break them up into a bowl. Then get to smashing. Add in cinnamon, chia seeds, and nut butter. Then give that a good mix. Next, add in some oats and mix again. Once the oats are fully incorporated, dollop the batter onto a baking sheet lined with either parchment paper or use a silicone cover. Then smash those down and shape them into pancake-shaped looking rounds. Place those in the oven and let the magic happen. After 18 minutes or so, take them out of the oven and then get ready to dress them up a bit. You can dress these up any way you like. You can just do straight syrup, you can do jam, or you can do any number of things. Tonight what I'm using is a peanut butter that I've thinned out a bit with syrup, so it's like a maple peanut butter. I'm also topping it with strawberries, blackberries, pumpkin seeds, and shredded coconut. Yum! This is so easy to throw together and it's really filling, so I highly recommend giving these a try. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.